Listen to music. Listen to music.
She listens to music while cooking dinner. She listens to music while cooking dinner.
Make the bed. Make the bed.
I make the bed as soon as I wake up. I make the bed as soon as I wake up.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
He takes out the trash every evening. He takes out the trash every evening.
Plan the day. Plan the day. She plans her day in a notebook. She plans her day in a notebook.
Commute to work. Commute to work.
They commute to work by train. They commute to work by train.
Organized desk. Organized desk.
I organize my desk every Friday. I organize my desk every Friday.
Stretch. Stretch.
She stretches every morning to feel energized. She stretches every morning to feel energized.
Set an alarm. Set an alarm.
He sets an alarm for 6:30 a.m. He sets an alarm for 6:30 a.m.
Wash face. Wash face.
She washes her face every night before bed. She washes her face every night before bed.
Prepare for tomorrow. Prepare for tomorrow.
I prepare for tomorrow before going to bed. I prepare for tomorrow before going to bed.